Welcome to the channel, guys, and today we are doing Zapata Falls recreational area. It's just south of the entrance of the Great Sand Dunes, which are the tallest sand dunes in North America. And let's see here. There's some signage on. Hope you guys can make that out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And some snow-capped mountains, and the sand dunes way out there if you can see them. All campers by reservations only, and you have to use rec.gov. There are some camping up here, so that's always pretty cool. The road is paved right now, as you can see, and we're working our way up. We are at an elevation right now of 7,800 feet if it comes out clear for you guys. It's got a beautiful waterfall, depending on the water flow, the time of year. Wintertime, it's frozen. And you can hear it running behind there. You can walk up, stand over, the water's running under your feet. It's pretty cool. And in the summertime, which will be right now, we're May 10th. And so it definitely won't be frozen. And probably be about 6 inches of water or something flowing through. And I'll show you some of the hikes as we get going, and let's have some fun. Well, as you can see, welcome to Zapata Falls. If you would like to see Zapata Falls, you will need to take a short but arduous hike. Arduous to Zapata Creek. The falls are upstream from where the trail meets the creek. The only way to view the falls is to get your feet wet, and that's true, by wading carefully upstream to the base of the falls. Length is only about a half a mile each way. 9,000 feet to 9,400 feet. And yeah, other than that, pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, let's get at it. Well, we have started the hike. It's only a half mile, not too long. 400 feet in elevation gain. Got Ethan up there in front of us leading the way. Yeah, he's fast. And then we got Julie behind us, pulling up the rear. Let's keep trucking. Yes, slick rocks in this area. The falls are beautiful all year round, but reaching them can be curious, especially in the winter when Zapata Falls freezes into a sheet of ice. And the river rocks get slippery. So pay attention to your footing. Here we go. And here's where the creek starts up to Zapata Falls itself. As you can see, a bunch of people. It's a very popular place. Definitely gets cooler with that water around us, and again, it's snow melt, so it is seasonal. But there always seems to be some type of flow here. Watch your step, because the rocks can be slippery. Oh, beautiful here. Let's go scamper across all this and bypass. That was cool. And we're going to keep going around the corner of the waterfall. Alright, we made it to the falls section. Ah, still frozen. Again, this is Zapata Falls. As you can see, the water, it's everywhere. far as I can go without getting wet. Yeah, I can skedaddle along there and get up. Let's go do that. We are climbing up. There's Julie and Ethan. Oh, this is cool. You need a bath? There you go. Looks pretty deep, but it's definitely freezing, fresh snow melt water. Julie! There's Julie and Ethan. Gotta admit, pretty amazing. Well, that's Zapata Falls. Hope you guys enjoyed and liked, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and stay notified of future events. And yeah, if you haven't been here, gotta get here. Catch you on the next one. Enjoy, everyone.